guys, let me give you a room chair. Come.
Chalo.
Hello. So this is the bedroom.
Oh, acha.
This would be our balcony. Yeah, balcony.
It's a good try. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
A whole new world.
A whole new world.
Some people think we're crazy, but it's okay.
It's okay, we got new things.
What else do we have
Now you
here?
have to follow me. TV,
Ooh, fancy.
the mirror,
Ooh, practical.
oh, the cabinet.
Ooh, so fancy.
Closet.
Hey, look, we have slippers too.
Yeah.
Okay.
This should
We
be
have
our-
some amenities.
Yeah. Oh my god, such a clean toilet. My bath.
And a shower. Nice. So we have no excuse to get ready in the morning. Like you
Yeah.
can use a shower while I take the toilet.
Yeah.
Or vice versa.
So, no excuses allowed. No.
Very
no, nada.
practical.
Nada.
So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy and subscribe. What else to do? Subscribe lah.
Please subscribe. She's amazing.
Woo!